Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aries. We'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, for your daily energies, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that card will answer any deep questions you have regarding your career situation or your relationship, guys. So this is the oracle card. So we'll turn these cards now. Mountain, dog, anchor. So with these cards, Aries, the energy is that, guys, you are facing lot of obstacles in your life today, guys. Lots of stressful situations you are facing today. Maybe in your work you may see some project suspensions, some delays in your projects that's a successful completion. So some challenges, some unavoidable challenges are there, and you feel maybe for some of you all you may have some mental challenges also, something emotional maybe. So you feel you have to do things in a different way to overcome those challenges or those situations, guys. You feel burdened today, guys. You feel responsible in your situation, burdened by these responsibilities. But I also see here that you are able to overcome these challenges, and you are seeing some success in certain areas, maybe in your work or in your relationship. You are being successful. You see a positive change coming your way, and you are feeling that sense of gratification in your situation. Some happiness is there because of your victory today, guys. And also I see here that this person or you both share that a great understanding, devotion in this relationship, and trustworthiness. You feel that you can rely on each other, or this person feels this way about you, or you feel this way about this person. You share a great understanding in this relationship, guys. That is what I see here. This person is loyal, and you have that great compatibility, affection, guys. So let us see what is the oracle's guidance for your situation, Aries. What is the card? So this card may answer the questions regarding your career situation or your relationship, guys, whatever is there in your mind. Higher power. With this card, Aries, the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, is that we are more than a human being, guys. We all have that immortal soul in us, that aspect of God in us. So all of us have that higher power. So at times it expresses itself through certain signs or intuitions. So it may relate in our relationship or in our work situation. Sometimes we feel that ideas are flowing through us. We may be directed, guided towards some direction. We may feel that intuition in certain decisions when we are making certain decisions in our work, some agreements or projects, some negotiations. So whatever it is, whatever that intuition is guiding us towards that direction, we need to take that up. That will be the right direction, that will take us to success, guys. So you need to accept those that guidance coming from the spirit, coming from the universe, or whatever God, whatever you call it. So we need to have that trust and feel that our life is divinely directed and protected, guys. So when this card is there, in our reading, it just means that we share a deep bond with this person, a deep spiritual bond with this person. So whoever you are in relationship with, you have that deep bond. This person is there with you just to give you that growth and evolution in your life. So this person is of great importance, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need to recognize their role in your life. So when you do that, you will have a trust in the divine plan. So whatever comes out of this relationship, you will just accept it with happiness. And that is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, and that is the reading. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.